Hey guys, just checking in with you. We're on the home stretch for the data management investigation, and I wanted to highlight a couple of things to you about a couple parts of the report that I know I'll give feedback to everybody about. So I figured I may as well just do it before you write it or as you're writing it so that you can make this the best part of your report. So the first part is the validity. So this is where you get to be critical about your own research. So you're going to use the criteria about validity that we did with the assignment in Unit 3, and you're going to think about your own research and whether it's valid or invalid for different reasons. So you want to look at things like your sample size, your data management, your data collection method, like how you went about collecting the data. You want to think about your sampling method, like how did you choose your sample? Does that increase the validity of your research or decrease the validity? So things like that, bias, all of that stuff. So look at those questions. I've posted them here in this news posting. So look at those different criteria and apply them to your own research. So be critical about your own research. Say whether certain things increased or decreased the validity of it. And then the last part is the significance. So for this, I want you to choose 2 or 3 of your findings, be really specific about this, and talk about why that's significant. So who might use that information, what decisions might be made based on that, how it might help somebody. So really think about why your research, why what you found out is important. And then also write a paragraph about how somebody might take your investigation further. So what other factors might you consider that could be related to your topic, or how could they add more to this investigation. So those last 2 parts is where I will be looking at your critical thinking. And often what happens is students get to that part and it's just super fluffy and there's not really any real meat to it, and it doesn't really show a lot of good thought. So really take your time and do a good job on those 2 sections, and then once you're done those parts, submit your draft, and I will give you feedback and you can make improvements based on that feedback and submit your polished report by the end of next week. So look at the news posting from yesterday for the updated schedule, and keep moving forward with your investigation. Once your draft is complete, then you can get started working on your presentation, start working on your slides, use this presentation outline sort of planner thing that I gave you in Activity 5, and start putting your presentation together. So I'm looking forward to reading more of your reports, and I will keep in touch with you guys through the discussion area and through this news feed. Okay, talk to you soon.